Year's, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to say thank you for this awesome last year. I've only got 30 subscribers, but I still think it's pretty awesome. 2022, I think it's gonna be even better. I plan on doing some farmers markets, maybe even a boutique. Who knows? We definitely reap what we sow, and it's not only consciously, but it's subconsciously. Anyways, hope you guys have a great New Year's, great 2022. All right, let's get started. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today, I'm gonna be making my front pocket wallet that I make. This is a design that a friend of mine wanted. Usually how these are made, the pocket is actually flipped. So the pocket actually comes out here. So if you want to get to your cards are up, but your money's upside down. Or you're trying to get to your money and your cards are coming out this way, so your cards are upside down. Just didn't like that. So what I did was just flip the pocket. So now the pockets are on this side. Your money slips into here, so you can get to your cards and your cash and not have to worry about one of them falling out. Let's make one. Kind of like in this area here. So what I'll do is okay, so first thing I want to do is actually I'm going to take a little bit of Tokonol and I am going to get the hair side of this down a little bit. It is a little fuzzy, so I just want to make sure this side is nice and clean. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to add a little Tokonol to this guy. Just use whatever you got. This is probably not the best thing to use, but hey, it works. I need to get me a glass slicker, I just don't have one. Let's get these beveled or burnished and beveled, and then go from there. So because these are a chrome tanned, they're not going to burnish extremely well. It's going to help give a nice edge and then keep the hairs down and stuff like that. So kind of what I found is to take a lighter before you burnish and just kind of singe all those little itty bitty hairs, everything sticking up, and then it will give your edge, just make it look just a touch better. So that helps really well if you have like a hairy hide for a kind of on a chrome tan like this one. But this is really nice stuff. This is it's kind of growing on me a little bit. This is it's called a Cowboy Vanilla. Hey, that's hot. Okay, so now all those hairs are trimmed off on there. Next, I'm just gonna do real quick burnish. Kind of line these guys up just like this, and then you can take your scribe and just kind of go just underneath the lip of it, so when you pull it up you know where to glue. We're going to glue around the perimeter here, put these guys together. First thing I'm going to do real quick is just lightly scuff this up.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
we need to set this. All right, next thing is grab the compass. We will make our stitch line. Now I'm just going to use this guy. This guy helps me with my back stitch. All right, we got our stitch line done. We get this sewn up. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got my pockets sewn in now. Let's get these threads cleaned up on the ends here. Okay, bam. Got that done. Now take a ruler and those four dots that I marked on the first panel here, line those guys up. And mark a line there. Okay. Get this sewn up. Be right back. All right, guys. Well, there we go. So, got this bottom piece sewn up here. That's going to hold in our little clip. Slide that guy in there. Bam. Well, there we go, guys. Let me know what you think.